Today we're going to talk about decimal place value. So we have a number 531.6324. So I will start from the first digit, which is after the decimal point. So that digit is called tenths. The digit after is 3, which is called hundredths. Then this is called thousandths. And the last one, which is this one, is called 10,000ths. And we have a decimal point, we call it and. The digit before the decimal point, we call it ones. This digit is tenths. And this one is hundredths. Now let's just look at some examples where the standard form of the decimal is given and we're going to write the word form or the written form. Let's just look at the first example. We have 16.248. So if we have to write it down in the word form, we will do 16 because that's the first two digits. There is a decimal point, I'm going to write and. After the decimal point, the digit is 2, so I will write 2. And then last two digits are 4 and 8, so I will write 48 thousandths. I will use the hyphen. And then thousands because it's at the thousands place. Let's just look at another example. So let's say 21.34. I will write this as 21 because we are saying it together. I'm going to use hyphen in the middle, 21. The decimal point is and. We always use and whenever there is a decimal point between numbers. Then I'm going to say 34. Since I'm saying it together, I will use the hyphen again. And 4 is at the hundredths place, so I will write hundredths at the end. 100 and THS. Let's just look at another example. 5.3. So I can say 5 because that's the first digit. I can write that 5. Decimal point is and 3 is at the tenths place, so I will write 3 tenths. So that's how we do the decimal place value. So after the decimal point, we have tenths, hundredths, thousands, and 10,000ths. Before the decimal point, which is to the left side, we have ones, tenths, hundredths. Now I'm going to show you this question, which was a sample question in MPT. The question is, what is the value of 7.05 plus 5 plus 1.5 plus 2.05 plus 4.5? I'm going to show you how to add these decimal numbers as well as a whole number, because 5 is a whole number here, without using a calculator. So I will start writing the first number, which is 7.05, and I have a whole number which is 5, so I'm just going to write under a whole number. And then the next number is 1.5, so I will write 1.5. Then I have 2.05, 2.05. Then the next number is 4.5, and I have to add these numbers. As you can see, there are some blank spaces, so I will fill those spaces with 0. So I will write 0. I can make this as a decimal number. I can add 0 here. I can add 0 here. Now I will start adding from the right side. So I have 5 plus 0 plus 0 is 5, plus 5 is 10, plus 0 is 10 still. So I will write 0 here and 1 over here. Now I will add the middle numbers, 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 plus 0 plus 5. So I have this one. So 5 plus 5 will give me 10. 10 plus 1 will give me 11. So I will write 1 here and 1 on the top. Now I have decimal point, which I'm going to write first. Then I will add the numbers to the left side of the decimal point. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 5 will give me 13. 13 plus 1 will give me 14. 14 plus 2 will give me 16. 16 plus 4 will give me 20. And I can see it's 20.10. And if I look at the choices, the first choice is 9.75, the second one is 15.6, C is 19.1, and D is 20.10. If there is no 0, so you can include 0, that will make it as 10. So the correct answer is D. Now I'm going to show you another example from MPT. The question is, what is the sum of the following set of 4 numbers? In this case, the term or the keyword is sum, which means we have to add. So let's write that in a vertical way. So I will write 0.02 first, then 0.6. Keep in mind the decimal point goes under the other decimal point. So the third number is 0.735. The last one is 0.0005. Now I will fill up the missing ones, missing digits, with 0. So I will fill this up with 0 so that it's easier for us to add without using a calculator. Now I will add this. So I will again start from the right side. So I have 5 here. If I will add the second last column, it will give me 5 again. And 2 plus 0 plus 3 plus 0 is 5. And when I add 6 and 7 will give me 13. So 3 goes here, 1 goes on the top. And there is a decimal point, and I will add all the digits, which will give me 1. So let's see over here. A is 1.13, B is 1.3555. That looks like that is the answer. So I will put a check mark or just fill that circle. And that is the answer for this question. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video.